Hey guys, today's video is a half-face scary pumpkin look. Keep on watching if you want to see how I did it. For this look, I wanted to try something different with the effects makeup, so I tried a fake scarring from the Family Dollar, and it was pretty cheap, so I wasn't too happy with it. It didn't stick that good to my skin. I am pressing it in on one side just to make it look like the other side is lifting up. And then I eventually ran out, so I used tissue and eyelash glue just like I did in my other videos for the rest of it. So now you can see that I'm lifting that side up just to look like it's peeling. So now on the side that's supposed to look glam, I'm just doing that with regular foundation, a regular eyebrow, and regular makeup. On the other side, I'm laying my eyebrow down with a glue stick and setting it down with powder. And then I'm going to do that side as pale as I can, so I'm covering the whole thing with concealer. So for the pumpkin side of my face, I'm going to start with an orange eyeshadow, and I'm just sketching out the areas that I want to have the black on them. So for a regular jack-o'-lantern, you usually cut out the nose and the eye with the triangle. And then this one's supposed to be scary, so I'm doing a kind of sharp tooth look. And I'm highlighting underneath it with orange just to make it pop more, and then going over that with a black little Halloween crayon thing that I have from the Family Dollar as well. And then just to make this more opaque and more black, I'm going over it with eyeshadow just to set it all in, and that way it doesn't crease or anything. And then to add to the detail, you can see that I'm using a black liquid liner. This is going to make everything pop even more as well, because it's going to make it look more detailed and make the lines a little more fine. With the same liquid eyeliner, I'm going to flick out little areas that looks like the black part of my eye is smearing outwards, and that's just going to add more to the effect and make it look a little bit more scary and a little bit more edgy. And then with the same eyeshadow that I used to outline everything, I'm making the lines that you see down a pumpkin, and then I'm just going to shade those out and make them look like I have the little ridges like a pumpkin would. And then I'm also going to go over that with a black eyeshadow. That's going to define the ridges as well. You'll notice down the cut part of my face, I put a red eyeshadow underneath the fake blood, and that's going to make it look darker and more irritated. And then I'm just going to add a drop of blood kind of going down so it looks a bit more bloody afterward. So there you have it. This look is complete. It was actually pretty simple, so make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Halloween inspo.